Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use Picsart and CapCut apps to make a watermark for your video. So first you need to open the Picsart app, then click on the plus icon, then choose blank. Okay, so it will open up like this. Then you can just type in your text in here. So click on text and type in your text. Then you can click on the check icon. Then you can also change the font into your favorite font in Picsart. Okay, I'm going to just use the sniglet here. Then adjust the position, click on the check icon, then save it. Okay, now open your CapCut and your project. Okay, then go to overlay and select the photo from Picsart that you save. Okay, so in here you can just fit the size, then go to blend and choose overlay. Okay, so the text will fade out like this. It will become transparent, and you can just click on the check icon, then adjust the positions and also the durations in here. So I'm going to place it in here, and now you are done with the watermark. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and please click on the thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.